Installation of your new BOF gravity flow shelving starts with uprights and sway braces. When installing your corner beer cave uprights, you will have two types of uprights. Make sure to use the corner upright in between the two other uprights. There are 4 spots to install sway braces. Your order will come with 4 3-inch sway braces. The hardware you received from your BOF shelving is used to install the sway braces to the uprights. Please only hand tighten hardware until the shelving is assembled in place. Your corner unit will come with 2 shelves. Install the bottom shelf, then the top shelf. Each clamp will correspond to a notch on the shelf. Make sure each clamp is all the way in the notch. Ensure the posts and shelves are plumb and level before tightening the sway braces. Install the wire mat on each shelf. Install the price tag molding on the front of each shelf rim. Use the spacer when putting the unit in the corner of the beer cave. You can reach BOF's shelving experts via email or phone.